Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Today, I added a second cherry B3 organ to the Hammond organ restoration building. This is the first cherry B3 that I placed in here. You can see the swirl that tells you that it's cherry. I'll let you know this is the cherry. It's the cherry B3. That pattern. And so here you go over here again. This is the Fruitwood cherry B3, as opposed to the dark cherry B3. All right. Let me show you this one. This is the dark cherry B3 is a earlier model. Probably goes back to the late 50s. I'd have to look at the serial number to determine the year. But this is a later model cherry B3, as I said, in the Fruitwood. Shade. All right. That's one I wanted to share with you. So we're coming together here in the shop. I also brought in a Leslie cabinet that I'll add components to, and use this as the test cabinet as I restore these Hammond organs here in the Hammond organ restoration building at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated here in Warrensburg, Missouri. All right, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Enjoying a nice breeze on today. Wishing you a wonderful afternoon. Storage up there. All right. Peace out.